Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change rig ready Rams. Now we buy a Ram. I'm here to show you this 2019 Ram 1500 Rebel, so let's take a peek. Under the hood you do have your 5.7 HEMI. And of course, since it's a Rebel, you do have LED headlights, as well as some Duratrack tires on this one. It is a crew cab with the 5.7 box, so you can have a lot of room in the cab. Nice dual exhaust hitch receiver, and of course backup, but we're going to go inside and finish up. Inside the truck you do have heated seats and of course a heated steering wheel, park assist sensors front and back, as well as a trailer brake controller. This does all move, and a nice 8.4-inch screen there, as well as your 8-speed transmission. But we're going to go in the back seat and then we're done. In the back seat there's a bunch of room. The floor is flat now, and of course underneath the floor mats you have in-floor storage, as well as a place to put your drink. Just like any of our used vehicles, it did go through a full ANVIC inspection, so if you are interested in this truck, you can give us a call 780-942-3629 or comment below.